Hi everyone, Morgan here. I am going to be talking about my recipe binder today and how you can put one together very, very simply. First of all, just get a binder. This was like, I'm pretty sure this is like $1 binder from Walmart. Not complicated, okay? Any type of binder. So next step is going to be what I did in order to start my journey on this recipe binder was I made a master list of food ideas. What really got me going with this recipe binder was one day I was like freaking out about dinner. I was like, I don't have any plans for dinner and I hate it. I hate the struggle every single day that I go through to get dinner ready and, or thinking of dinner ideas. Breakfast and lunch are always easy, but for some reason, dinner is always a struggle. And it's not just a struggle with me, it's a struggle with so many people. I mean, this is a relatable thing, right? This is not even half of the things that we eat, and I'm always trying new things. I need to actually just write along here, but I printed out a little list, just a starter list, right, of master food ideas. Then I went online and I started printing out all the recipes. I have so many recipes here. This is actually a 50 pack. I got a 50 pack of these protectors and I filled up 50 already and I'm not even done. I just keep printing. Almost every day I print a little bit. This is the easiest way to build up your recipes. Now I know a lot of people take screenshots, but screenshots I have found are not the easiest to print. So what I did is I went back through my screenshots that I've taken. On my phone, I'll just take screenshots of recipes. And then so I go back through the screenshots and I'll look for the URL and then I'll search it on that site so that I can then print directly from the site. Because trying to print a screenshot, when you take a screenshot of a recipe, I don't know if you've ever done this, but if you take a screenshot from a recipe, first of all, they become pictures, which makes it more difficult to print. And second of all, it's usually like 4, 5, 6 screenshots that you're taking instead of, so you either have to put it together in a PDF or you have to go to like an image editing software and then put it all together like that. It's time consuming. There actually is an app that will do it for you, that will like piece it together. Sometimes it doesn't work, like depending on how you screenshot it. So anyway, it's all time consuming with screenshots. I just go to the screenshot, look at the website, and then I go to the actual website and then print the recipe from the website. Way easier, way less time. And so now I have recipes for everything. I've been printing everything from basic pasta recipes. I'm backwards. Basic pasta recipes, making crackers, pizza muffins. I've been finding things that people that my household wants to eat, but not just food. I have been printing out recipes on like how to make shampoos, it's not just food recipes is what I'm saying. So like how to make pemmican, okay, that's food. How to make dish soap, what you can do with flour, like all these different things like products and scrubs and just recipes for everything. Like I printed out a recipe, it's not even a recipe, I would say it's instructions on how to make lye from wood ash. So just anything that you're curious about and you want instructions or the recipe for, or whatever, you can go online and just print it out. And that helps you, keep it in a paper format. This is more accessible to me at any time than online. And another thing that you want to do, just one last thing. Oh yeah, I have a whole bunch of stuff. Like I have things for like kids, like homemade Play-Doh. Oh my gosh, I had what did I have in here? How to make wax cheese, how to put cheese on just a whole bunch of random things. So, whatever I want to learn and it's not in a book that I already have, I'll print it out. I love books. I still get books. Like I'll cross-reference, I'm like, well, maybe I like this recipe online better than this one from the book. But it's also okay to have like a double of things. So like, let's say, I have books on how to make a bunch of skincare products, but I also printed other recipes that were a variation or completely different than the ones in the book. because why not? You know, it's having options. It's all black and white. And what I do is I try to make it one page or double-sided so that it helps save on ink and paper. Anyway, this is always a work in progress. I'm going to be printing things until the internet goes down. I say that like it's a definite thing, but the internet is not, it could not always be there, you know, may not always be there. And also, you know, it's kind of a relief to me to be able to just immediately flip to a recipe that I know is good, that I like, that I've printed, that's here, ready to go, instead of having to search online or search for a screenshot that I took or, you know, whatever. You know, if I find a recipe that I like, I just go and print it. If I try it and I don't like it, I don't print it, right? You know what I mean? There's even been one recipe in here that I decided I didn't like and I took it out. No big deal, right? We're always experimenting with our food, products that we make, whatever. So this is an all-encompassing recipe book. I just wanted to show you what I was doing. You know, I have been wanting to do this for a very long time. I mean, years probably. I'm pretty sure I bought this binder like 2 years ago and then just never did it because I was like, oh, look at this binder. I already have one because I've been wanting to do this for a really long time. And then our busy acre, Miranda, she has an Instagram and she has a YouTube. She has a recipe binder and she talks about it all the time. And I was like, you know what? I've been influenced. I'm just going to do it. And so I did it. And I'm just so happy I did it. You know, you can keep printing recipes, keep taking them out, do whatever. This is a work in progress. So keep taking them out. Organize it the best that you can. Maybe you know, organize it from snacks, breakfast, lunches, dinners, and then breads or something like that. You know what I mean? But organize it to how it's going to make sense to you. And, you know, get the little dividers. The dividers, you can't see that. But get the little dividers or whatever you need to do in order to make it work out for you. I just wanted to show that idea and hope that you start printing stuff for yourself and start making your own recipe binders of food, instructions, you know, whatever you want to learn, you know, put it in this recipe binder. Thank y'all so much for watching. Conquer tomorrow, February today. Talk to you later. Bye.